Hi guys, welcome to Divine Dine. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare Nawabi Paneer. So let's begin. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons oil, then add 1 sliced onion, some garlic cloves, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, and add 1 tablespoon cashew nuts, 3 green chilies, and add 1 tablespoon grated ginger, now add half cup water, stir it, turn the gas off after 2 minutes and let it cool completely. Now grind the mixture into a paste to make the gravy. Now take a pan, add 2 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon butter. Then add the prepared paste. Stir this. After a while, add 4 tablespoon curd, stir it and cover the pan for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now open the cover and add 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 tablespoons salt. Add 1 tablespoon sugar, after that add half cup water, now add 400 grams paneer and mix them carefully so that the paneer pieces don't break. Then add 1 teaspoon garam masala powder and 2 tablespoons fresh cream. Mix them, and our mouth-watering delicious Nawabi paneer is ready. It goes very well with paratha, naan and fried rice as well. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Definitely try this delicious recipe and give your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.